Hello, so let's talk about a simplified path. So you're given a string path, so which is the absolute path, and then you want to convert to canonical path. So what does canonical path mean? So it basically is return the shortest possible path in the string S. So like for giving absolute path, right? You can actually do like this, but the last slash doesn't mean anything, right? And also this two dot doesn't mean anything. So you can just shortest, right? You have to simplify the string. So if you can go over this, this is pretty good definition. But if not, I can just summarize it. So basically, if you see the dot, right? So basically, if you see a dot, you don't want to take care of it. Like this doesn't mean anything, right? And then if you see the dot, right, you need to go on the previous path. So you are still going to ignore this, but you want to return the previous directory. And then if you see if you see the empty, definitely nothing, right? So this is empty, right? So this is empty, right? So if you see empty, this is definitely nothing. So you want to simplify this, and everything else you just push into the string. So this is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to just do I have a better string? Oh yes, I do. So here it is. So I'm going to just create a stack, right? And I'm going to split the string based on the slash. So based on the slash, I'm going to split, right? So this is going to be what? Home. And then slash, right? Full. So this is what? String of size 2, right? So I'm going to just making sure if this a dot or dot or the empty stuff. If not, then I will just push into it. So I will push home, I'll push full, right? And then when I know this is the end of the string, right? Then I will just have to convert the entire stack to the string. So I will have to have what? The beginning slash, right? Beginning slash. And then I will push home. And then I will push another slash. And then I will push my full into it, right? And this is pretty much it, right? So you can use the string.join. String.join for the stack is you are pushing the value from the first one to the last one. So I will start coding and then you will be able to understand what happened. So I'm going to create a stack of string, right? So this is stack, new stack. I'm going to just traverse my path and then I need to split based on the slash, right? And then I'm going to check if p.equal empty. If this is empty, I'm continue, right? And then again, if this is p.equal the dot, right? I'm going to continue. And then else if p.equals dot, right? Which means you want to go on the previous directory, right? So I need to make sure if my stack is empty, sorry, it's not empty, so which means there is a path, right? Then I will just have to pop, right? So again, so if the string is like this, home dot, right? And then a something like this, right? And then we split the string to home and then dot a, right? And then we will push the home to the stack, and then when we traverse the dot, right? And then we need to see, okay, if the stack is empty or not, right? If this is not, then I will pop this one. So now this is what? This is the empty stack right now, and then I'll push a into it, right? So this is pretty much it, right? So now, so if this dot, then I will just check my stack. So everything else I'm going to just push to the stack. At the end, I would just have to say the slash plus string.join. And then what do I join? I need to join the slash with the stack, right? So everything else, you will definitely have this first, and then you will just push a stack. But this is going to be what? First in, first out. So it doesn't matter is first in, last out in the stack definition, but when you use a string.join and then for the slash, this is how it is, right? And then I spell this wrong. And one more time, and then submit. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. So for the time, this is time. This is going to be all of P. P represents length of the path. And then the stack is, the worst case is going to be all of P. You store every single word or string into the stack. So all of P for time and space. And this is the solution, and I'll see you next time. Bye.